Hello friends, in this video I will show how to add blank page in Microsoft Word. So open Microsoft Word, open your document. Now here guys where you need a blank page, move your cursor end of that page. Like I need a blank page after this one. So move your cursor in the end and here click on insert, then just click on blank page. You need to click on blank page. Add a blank page anywhere in your document. So now as we can see, we have this blank page here. Similarly, you need a blank page after two pages. Move your cursor in the end. Put your cursor in the last of page. Insert tab and blank page. That's it. So thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel.